RGH-12060 Rotary furnace body is made of 310S stainless steel, which has the characteristics of high temperature resistance, high service life, and easy maintenance. It can carbonize a variety of fuels, measure the composition of combustible gas, manual carbon outlet, easy to operate, carbonization temperature controllable, good thermal insulation performance, easy to operate, able to test small samples, greatly saving labor and material consumption. The product adopts intelligent temperature control instrument, which can conduct AI artificial intelligence adjustment algorithm, no overshoot, and has self-tuning function, allowing for arbitrary slope temperature rise and fall control. It has operation commands such as jump, run, pause, and stop.